Hello viewers, welcome back again. So till now we have discussed a number of topics in Python subjects. So today we will discuss numbers complex. What does it mean? What is number complex? Number complex explains how complex numbers are handled in Python programming. It means a complex number is a number that has both real part, that is for example 3, and imaginary part, for example 2j, as we have mentioned in this slide, 3 plus 2j. These are the real and imaginary part. And imaginary part, that is 2j, where j is the imaginary unit equivalent to the square root of -1. And a complex number in Python is written as a plus bj. A plus bj. Right now we are discussing a complex number in Python, that we are just taking an example. A is equal to imaginary part, and then b is equal to a is a real part and b is a imaginary part, and then j is equal to imaginary unit. So complex number is generally built in support. So Python has built in support for complex number. So no special libraries are needed to use complex numbers. So operation supported, all things are supported, so that we can say we can use basic arithmetic operations, plus, minus, and asterisk sign and division sign on complex numbers, just like integers or float. If we are saying x is equal to 3 plus 2j, so here x is a complex number with real part 3 and imaginary part is equal to 2j. And purely y is a purely imaginary number. Imaginary number that is known as real part is equal to 0. Then operation 1, addition, operation x plus y, or x is equal to 3 plus 2j, then y is equal to minus 1j. So output will be 3 plus 1j. If we are talking about 3 plus 2j plus minus 1j in summation in brackets is equal to 3 plus 2 minus 1j is equal to 3 plus 1. So we are getting an output that is 3 plus 1j. And we are talking about multiplication sign, x plus y. It means x is equal to 3 plus 2j, and again y is equal to minus 1j. So using the formula, we can elaborate the multiple numbers with the things. And 3 plus 2j is asterisk sign with 2 minus 3j. At last we are getting an output 2 minus 3j. So we are summarizing this slide. So Python generally support complex numbers directly. So we can perform normal math operation with them. So complex numbers are returned using j for the imaginary part, and output shows the result. Output shows the actual results with the numbers 3 plus 1j. So we are just moving to the next slide. Strings literals. It means this slide explains string literals in Python, specifically how the plus operator is used for string concatenations. So a string literal is a sequence of characters enclosed in single quote. As we can see, all the numbers or symbols like single quote or double quote. For example, hello world. So plus sign, plus operator for a string in Python is overloaded to concatenate it, that is join two or more strings. Overloaded means the operator behaves differently depending upon the data type. So numbers plus, it performs addition for a string, plus sign, it performs the final operations. So we are just breaking down from this slide, that is x is equal to hello in single quote, and a variable x is assigned the string value hello. So x is equal to x plus there, that is there note the leading space is added generally to the existing value of x. Now x becomes hello there. So hello there just display the final value of x, and then output of the operation is generally summarizing all the aspects of single literals. So Python string support the operator for concatenations like concatenations hello and their results in hello there. So we can use for the building longer strings from smaller ones dynamically. And then we are taking another examples of string literals, like we are taking first name is equal to John and last name is equal to Doe. So full name is equal to first name plus sign, as we will get some output that is John Doe. So John Doe is generally single name, and we are getting all the outputs with the help of single quote sign. So now we will discuss in depth, we will discuss string literals. So it generally explain in Python, focusing on how to define strings using different types of code. So string literal is a sequence of character enclosed within the code. So generally Python allow you to define string literals in three methods. First method is using single quote, second using double quote, and third one is using triple quote, either double sign or triple sign for multi-line string. So we are talking about a single quote. I am a string. It means here the string is defined using single quote, and double quote, we are talking about double quote, that is so am I. So am I. This string is defined using double quote. At last, the Python treats because both of the single and double quote string the same. So we can use either depending upon the content of the string or for readability method. So when we when we are using the single quote or double quote, so generally single quote when the string doesn't contain any kind of data or single kind of code. So use double quote when the string contains a simple apostrophes to avoid escape characters. So at last we are saying multi-line string. So a string that contains both single and double quote, and this is a single string that spans multiple lines and contains single or double quote. So finally we are summarizing this slide, or we can say summarizing the video, like multiple lines or for containing both code types. So in this video we have discussed number complex, and then string literals, at last single literals with the different quoting methods. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe my channel too, and drop any comment if you have any doubt. So thanks for watching.